today we are here at LogiMAT 2020-25, a very first day, and we are official digital media partner. We are exhibiting at Hall 4.
First of all, thank you for having me. I think that this is the second event for LogiMAT in India. In Bombay, I think there couldn't be a better city to choose this, simply because of the industry that exists. I think it's going to be a huge success. I see a lot of material handling companies exhibiting. That speaks of the faith that people have in this event. And I think the more we exhibit, the more we tell people that this is the future, this is what you need to scale, more people will adopt this. Despite people saying there is no ROI right now, but the ROI will automatically happen. And I think this is the future. It's just a question of when the adoption inflection point hits us. And Machine Maker, I think, has always been a part of this whole movement right from the get-go. I think from whenever, even before it existed, they believed in it and they're promoting it, and I wish them much success.
I'm very happy to be here at LogiMAT, and we are showcasing our solutions, mainly the gripping and handling system for any kind of a component, our track motion as a robot mover, and our AMRs to move the rack and stack. So actually we help all integrators and project builders to make the project success. I'm very happy here with Machine Maker, and Machine Maker is always promoting all the products, and I'm very excited to see the exhibition, how it happens.
It's a good pleasure to see this exhibition here, and I'm representing the association, Bombay Industries Association, which is the 76-year-old association and representing 1,500 industry members. We are an association of industries across the sectors, and I'm sure such and similar exhibition will be very useful for our members, for their growth, for the development and ease of working.
First of all, I would like to thank Machine Maker for inviting me here. So we are Convello. We are into manufacturing of conveyor systems required for industries in various purposes. We make customized conveyor solutions for the industries like telescopic conveyor and other belt conveyor, roller conveyors. Machine Maker, they are doing a very good job. They are empowering the Indian manufacturers throughout globally, and also giving a very good platform for the Indian manufacturer. And this time we are exhibiting in Mumbai, LogiMAT. And for LogiMAT, I would like to say that they are also giving a very good platform for Indian manufacturers to grow their business all over the world and exhibit their products and to meet various other persons from the industry.
We are very thankful to industry leaders who came here and inaugurated our stall today. LogiMAT in the second edition have grown exponentially compared to the last edition. There are around 125 exhibitors, larger exhibition space, and lot of new innovations and launches. Take your time and ensure you visit this expo and see what's happening in the Indian warehouse automation sector.